Hello friends, myself Professor B.D. Faulkner, Associate Professor, Botany Department, KTHM College, Nasik. Now today's topic is cell organelles, and within cell organelles now the structure of Golgi complex or the structure of now the Golgi body. Golgi complex or Golgi body. It is present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. Now, in case of eukaryotic cell, a well-developed nucleus and nuclear membrane is present. It was discovered by Golgi complex was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. It is also known as Golgi body, Golgi substances, Golgi apparatus, dictyosomes, and lipochondria. In the plant cell, it is also known as now the dictyosomes because it does not occur in definite shape, and that's why it is commonly known as dictyosomes in plant cells, but occurs in the form of scattered form. Next, morphology. The shape and size of Golgi complex is variable and it depends upon the type of now the cell and its metabolic activities. It may be saucer shape or it may be plate like or it may be now ring like structure. Generally, metabolically, it is well developed in active cells, but as the cells grows old, Golgi complex gradually diminishes in size and finally it now disappears. Next, organization of Golgi body or Golgi complex. Ultramicroscopic studies of certain animal tissues have revealed that Golgi body consists of now the three parts, and these three parts they are as follows. Now the first that is cisterny, second now that is vacuoles, and third now that is the vesicle. Now the part first now that is cisterny. A cisterny is a cavity filled with fluid and present in a cell. It is usually Golgi complex about 4 to 7. Now the flat tubular or filamentous cisternae are placed parallel in a bundle or cisternae are arranged one above the other like a stack of coins. Second, vacuoles. These are large sac-like structures. It occurs towards the convex side of now the cisternae, and the vacuoles are formed by the expansion of cisternae. Then the third type now that is the vesicle. These are small drop like now sacs. It occurs along the concave surface or around the ends of now the cisternae. Then see now here within the ultrastructure of Golgi complex or now the Golgi body. Now It consists of now the three part now, that is the cisternae, vesicle, and now the tubules. Now observe within this diagram. Now these vesicle, they are present on convex side. Then the next, chemical composition. Basically, Golgi complex is made up of biomembranous, made up of lipid and protein molecule. The membranes of Golgi body contain large proportion of lipids, and many enzymes lipid are in the form of phospholipids. It is reported that there are molecules of lecithin and now cephalin. Coupled with these, Golgi body contain some carotenoids, fatty acids, vitamin C, and acid phosphate. In addition to these, it contains many enzymes like now adipase, acid phosphatase, then now magnesium, then ATPase, CTPase, and many other enzymes required for the synthesis of now machinery. Then the next point, origin of Golgi body. Membranes of Golgi complex are homogeneous with that the plasma membrane with respect to the molecular architecture. Hence, it is claimed that Golgi complex must have been originated from plasma membrane. Then the functions of Golgi body. Formation of secretory vesicle. It is involved in the formation of vesicle and primary lysosomes. It acts as a packing and forwarding center. Its function is condensation. Synthesis of carbohydrate. The complex carbohydrates are synthesized from simple sugars in Golgi complex. Formations of now the acrosomes. It forms the acrosome in testes and vertebrate animals. Acrosomes forms cap-like structure at the head of spermatozoa. Then the production of hormone. In the cells of the endocrine gland, Golgi complex synthesize now the particular hormone. Then the formation of lysosome. Golgi complex or Golgi body helps in the formation of lysosomes. Then formation of contractile vacuole. In case of protozoans, Golgi complex useful for the formation of contractile vacuole. Then the formation of plasma membrane. Golgi complex or Golgi body, Golgi apparatus, it plays an active role in the formation of conjugated compounds, now such as phospholipids and lipoproteins, that are most essential for the synthesis of now plasma membrane. Then the formation of now the cell wall. In plant cells, Golgi now complex, it is responsible for the synthesis of now the cell wall. Thank you, and that's all.